Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do coloring exercises on the Khan Kids application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And then you should go to your home page and select the account that you would like to use by clicking on the account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on the relevant one that you want to use, and then all you have to do is clicking on the library icon in the upper left corner, and then you should tap on the create icon indicated with the image of a pencil at the top. That's the third option. And here, if you scroll down, you are going to see coloring exercises. These are character colorings, nature colorings, science coloring exercises, vehicle coloring, number coloring, and so on. So you have a bunch of options here. So if you are interested in doing any of these, tap on the relevant one. And then you are going
What colors do you want to use?
Able to start the process of coloring. Here down below you have a vast variety of colors that you can use, so click on the relevant one, and then you can start coloring the this picture. So if you are done with it, just simply click on the check mark icon on the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.